second graders. It is Friday. Happy Friday. It is April 24th, Friday. I hope I'll be seeing you later when your mom and dad bring your work and pick up your next set of work. So we are finishing week 6 today. I'm actually going to put this on Thursday, so if you want to work ahead. Alright, I hope you still have the phonics test I included in there. I put 2 in there. So we're going to do the one that says phonics has 140 to 154. That's the one you do for today. Number 1 says to add suffixes to the root words. Has your ER and EST. 2, circle the correct adjective in each sentence. 3, read the sentence. Look at each verb. Circle the adverb that it describes. And draw a small arrow from the adverbs to the verb. So find the verb. Your parents can help you find the verb because the book had it underlined and I forgot to underline them. So you find the verb, and then if you need help with the verb, remember it's an action word, so the word that shows action. The adverb, circle the adverb that describes it, and then draw your arrow back to it. Then you're going to add the suffix ly to the root words to make adverbs. And 5, read the sentences. Underline the verb 2 times, so do that yourself. And then circle adverbs, draw a small arrow from adverb to the verb it describes. So you could probably do number 2 on your own. I think it was underlined in the book, but you can find the verb and then circle the adverb it describes. So 3 and 5 are kind of similar. All right, that is your phonics, and we will look at your pages in just a second. I got to go through our math test. Okay, all right, math test, not that one, that's the wrong one. Math test 150 for lesson 153, page 115, test 29. All right. Number 1, write the answers to the combination your teacher says. Now, I've sent your parents a letter. If you're watching the video and doing 1, 2, and 3 with us today, you get a bonus point for every one you get right, because some people aren't watching the videos and doing this part. So you guys that are working hard and watching the videos, I'm going to give you a bonus point for each one you get right on 1, 2, and 3. So that'll help if you miss something on another test or this test. It'll help give you bonus points, which will bump your grade up. All right, A, 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9. B, 15 minus 7 plus 4. 15 minus 7 plus 4. C, 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8. D, 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. E, 12 minus 5, 12 minus 5. F, 5 times 5, 5 times 5. Okay, number 2 says write the numbers your teacher says. A, $24.70. $24.70. B, 6 1/3. 6 1/3. C, 5,025. 5,025. 5,025. And D, 13,900. 13,900. Okay. 3 says write the answer to the listening still question. Do your computation. That means your work. Buy the hiking boots if you need it. If you don't need it, it's fine. Dad hiked 10 miles and Luke hiked 7 miles. How many more miles did Dad hike than Luke? Dad hiked 10 miles and Luke hiked 7 miles. How many more miles did Luke hike than Dad? Okay, number 4 says write the number of bills and coins needed to make the amount. Use the fewest pieces of money. Number 5, write the sums. Number 6, you're going to read your story problem, and then over by the coffee cup is where you're going to write your problem out and work it. Number 7, write the differences. 8, write the answers. Number 9, you're going to read that story, or I'll read the story problem to you here. It says Paige brought 3 packages of granola bars, and if each package has 2 bars, how many granola bars did Paige buy? Paige bought 3 packages of granola bars. Each package has 2 bars. How many granola bars did Paige buy? Don't forget your label. Okay? All right. Then we're going to look at your math page 305. It says use the store sign to answer the questions. 2, you're going to read the story problem. 3 and 4 are Roman numeral stuff. And on the back, it's test day, so you can answer the math problems. I'm not worried about coloring. You can just do the math problems. If you want to color, you got time, great. If not, don't worry about it. Same for phonics on page 307. At the bottom, you're going to put the names in ABC order, 1 through 6, so just number 1 through 6. If you don't want to color, don't worry about it. Number 1, write the nouns as possessive nouns, so you need apostrophe S. Kelly's family visited the national park, apostrophe S. 2, make the incomplete thoughts into a sentence by adding your own words. After I woke up this morning, and then you just finish a sentence. I noticed 3 yellow, finish the sentence. Then I heard a squeaky, finish the sentence, and I was surprised to find, so you just finish your sentences. Then you're going to underline your verb twice, subject once, draw a line between the subject and the predicate, and then you diagram your sentence. All right, that finishes up lesson 154. That's the end of week 6. We'll do 7 and 8 and 9. We have just that left. Okay, so we just have 3 weeks, but it's technically only 2.5 weeks because you just have 3 days that last week. All right, so I hope you have an awesome weekend, and hopefully I'll see some of you when you pick up papers and bring your papers back. Last time they were all in great piles. I was able to find everything. Keep working hard. Please make sure you wrote neatly so I can read it. All right, you have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.